Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so yeah, let's go over today. Pretty much getting ready for the end of the day. Yeah, we had a very nice day, I will say. I will be honest, IWM, I did end up missing this one. But yeah, the ones from today, we'll go over all of them. Looks like IBM is trying for my first TP as well. So yeah, give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. Yo, Jose, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream, man. So give me 1 second here. I'm pulling up the other chats. And then, yeah, we're going to get started. So, other chat, pulling up right now. And then, yeah, hold on 1 second. Alright, cool. We'll just pull that up. Yeah, I'm going to tell the team members we're on live as well. 1 second here. 1 second. TikTok live now. That's everyone. Alright, I got to change this song. Don't want this song here. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah, let's go over today. Can you look at Lulu? Yes, sir. I got you, bro. Alright, cool. So, IBM, very strong push. If we can, do want to see that first target being hit, that 272.90. Looks really good. I think we may do this today. Hopefully we do. And then maybe I can just leave the runners up to that 281. That's what I'm seeing there. Alright, so that is on IBM. We're going to go over... So... IWM looks like it's trying to go into that empty space there as well. Let's look at the cues. Video was amazing. AMD, LOY, still waiting on that. Hold up, so just gonna pull up all these other trades. I'm gonna pull this one over here. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so as of right now, for Lulu, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, maybe I should go grab my pen. Give me a second. I'm going to go grab my pen here. 1 second. So, Lulu. Alright, yeah. You know, it doesn't look bad. What I can see here is... So I got that. Let's see where my notebook is. Perfect. 1 second. Let me know if you like. Alright, so maybe I do like it a lot. Hold on, give me a second here. Lulu. Alright, yeah. I don't know what the contracts look like, so I'll have to check those just in case. But yeah, what I can see is, yeah, we do have this clear gap down. No consolidation. This is what I want to the upside. I can see that we do have that nice little box here. Looks like we are trying to break outside of it. So if we can get this continuation, let's fix that there. Right above, we potentially could see that upside. So yeah, that doesn't look too bad. So that is on Lulu. Yeah, not terrible. Alright, so Macy's doesn't look too bad. I don't know if I'll take this. There is an empty space here. That looks good. I'll have to check those cons too as well. Alright, so we'll go over Amazon. Hold on. What? AMZN. Microsoft. Okay, MSFT. Perfect. Alright, so in the video, went crazy today. We're going to go over everything. So yeah, the cues, we're going to go over this too as well, as we always do. Yo, Put Bro Media Guy, what's up, man? So yeah, the Put Bros Media Guy is here. He's in the live stream now. Alright, so for the cues, this was the first trade of this morning. This was very beautiful, very easy trade. Obviously, maybe I should have kept a runner. We ended up going up pretty wildly. Give me a second here. Hopefully you can see my screen. Yo, Media Guy, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Sound, yo, Chow, what's up? All right, so yes, this was the first trade of the day. Let's see. Boom, you can see where we called this one out. We had that Potter box. We ended up getting that nice break. We went straight into this empty space here. My first and my final target ended up hitting. I get it. We ended up, you know, going up a lot more. As for me, I wouldn't want to take anything else. I would just let it build some structure. And yeah, I would look to take that to the downside. So it looks really good. So that is on the Qs. All right, so yeah, we did Lulu. Looks really good too. NVIDIA. Beautiful move. We'll go over those two as well. All right, so Amazon, I will say. Let's see. Do you think it will hit the downside today? Yo, Flacco, what's up? For which one? Amazon. All right, so as of right now, and yes, this is all that I'm seeing. This looks good. Not bad at all. We do have this clear gap up, no consolidation. So yeah, this nice clear gap. This is something that I would love to take to the downside. As you can see, yes, we do have a nice Potter box that needs to be broken. We ended up breaking under this morning. This was a trade that I wasn't in, but we ended up going over it anyways. We broke under, went straight into the empty space there. For me, my final targets were hit. Hold on, give me 1 second here. So yeah, my final targets were pretty much hit there. If we do go under a little bit more, so let's see. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna get rid of this. And we're gonna start on this 1 hour. There's this. Nice box. So yeah, there's a nice box there. What looks good to me is, yeah, we get that nice break right under this 2730 area. I can see that there's a lot of empty space to this downside. So that would be that next move. And yeah, I get it. So I charted this one this morning. You know, it looked good. I definitely would have taken it. But there were other setups that I was focused on, which is perfectly fine. So yeah, I can't catch all of them. But yeah, you can see the ones that we did end up catching. You can see, shout out to all the members there. I'm gonna give them some likes. You can see what we did on the video. You can see the before. I was a little bit late on this one, but beautiful. End up touching that first and that final TP. Like I said, blessings, thanks team. Our member made what, almost 1K on that. Shout out to the lady. Shout out to Fabi. She ended up catching that too as well. And not just that. You can see what we did in the Qs. What we did on Tesla. These trades exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. And yeah, that's it. All these trades exactly the same. Obviously IBM doing its thing. Do want to see that first TP hit before I post that in the gains page. So yeah, we're very close. And this is something I've always, you know, I was still looking for a while. We end up getting that nice break. We had a great push today. So do want to see if that empty space can be filled. That first TP will be that 272, and that final at 281. And no, I'm not selling anyone to get into any trades, any positions, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at there. Yo, what's up, everyone? Please check Meta. That's not a very big move, though. For which one? Jimmy, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, bro. So Lulu AI. So yeah. Oh wait, hold on. Give me a second here. So on, let's see. So Lulu. Yeah, we'll go over that. The video did crazy today. Yo, Jeff, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. All right, yeah, we'll go over these trades here. You want to go over sound? Okay. All right. Oh yeah. So in Microsoft, we'll go over that too as well. We didn't go over that yet either. Okay. Yeah, we'll go over all these trades here. So yes, You hear about TikTok, how you got to download a new version of it? No, I did not. I didn't hear about it. Shout out to POTTERBOX Media guy. All right, anyways, so for Lulu, I will say I did chart this on a 2-hour. Obviously, if I wanted to take a 4-hour, I definitely can. But I personally like this 2-hour. I do see that we do have another box. Clear gap down to consolidation. We get this nice break. We do have this empty space that is currently above us. So it looks good. It looks decent. But I do want to see how that end of day will bring. So about an hour or so. Do want to see how that will play out. Alright, so that's there. So yeah, we did Lulu. We got to go over AI. AI looks decent too as well. So yeah, AP space here. No doubt about it. Nice little POTTERBOX. We get that nice 24-hour closure. Do want to see the upside. We'll use that box as SL though. So yeah, same exact thing. Sellers have control here right now, but want to see a breakout outside of sellers control. Empty space there. So yeah, for the Qs, yeah, this was more of a smaller move that we ended up getting into today. Pretty, decent trade. It did not hit any of my SLs. We end up getting in. Obviously, that final ended up hitting there. For now, at least, what I can see is, and I can see, yeah, we did end up building a lot more empty space. So we got some structure that we could end up going into building. This is empty space there. Even this too. So right now, I'm just gonna wait. I don't really see a new play on it that I like, but yeah, looks good. So yeah, that was a beautiful move, and you can see pretty much what I was waiting for this morning. You can see that little gap I was waiting for. That was the first play I called out this morning too. So, and you can literally see that, literally the first play. Mari, yes, I do end up seeing that, yes. At least on a little bit of a higher that time frame. Obviously, yeah, this morning too, yeah, if we ended up dropping, I was ready for this empty space to be filled to this downside, which looked good. We did this on a 1 hour too, so this one was on a 1 hour. But to the upside, we did this on a lower time frame, which was that 45-minute. All right. Yo, Felicia, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, let's keep going. So NVIDIA and AMD. Okay, hello. All right, so we got to go over sound. Wow. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. Not terrible at all. So what is this? So that is on what? Sound. Okay. Sound. Okay. Oh yeah, that doesn't look bad. Algorithm may change when US buys TikTok. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. Honestly, I'm still going to be here whether if one person is watching or if 1,000 people are watching. Still be here. I'm still going to be looking for these trades. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so yeah, I mean it doesn't look bad. So I think I did this on a 24-hour time frame. Give me a second here. 24-hour. Let's see if I did this on a 4-hour. Let's see. So yeah, no, I did this on a 24-hour. So 24-hour, I do have this above this 1751 area. If we can get that nice break, doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we shall see if we can get that nice clear break. That's on sound. Yeah, it doesn't look terrible though. All right, yeah, I'll keep that. I've written that down. Can I do? Okay, so we got to do that. We didn't do Microsoft. Microsoft, I will be honest, this is a bigger move that I'm waiting for, personally. Or not the biggest move, nothing crazy, of course, but I get it. Yes, we have a little pocket we could go up to into this 522 area. We're still stuck in a little bit of turbulence, consolidation, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, what I can see is, yeah, right under us, we do have this clear gap up, no consolidation here. We get this nice break under. This 506 here, we do have that empty space under us, which honestly looks really, really good. All right, so that's there. So that's on Microsoft. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, yeah, that's on MSFT. All right. All right, cool. IBM looking pretty nice. I want to see how that next day will bring us to as well if we can't hit that first target. We shall see. All right. And yeah, if you see my latest video that we posted, you could see that we did end up talking about this before this move even happened. I'll post a clip on it too as well. So, but anyways, all right. So Sam, we did that. Lulu Lulu looks pretty good too. We gotta go. We did Microsoft, QQQ. Yeah, that's crazy. So let's see. Yo, Ethan, thanks for the follow as well. So yeah, IWM. Okay. You guys want to see the video? Yeah, we'll go over that too as well. 1 second. We've got to go over a couple other ones as well. And yeah, you can see pretty much SFCI as well. Okay, cool. We'll pull these up. We'll pull all these up. And you can see, oh dang, well, yeah. That's freaking crazy. I will be honest, I called this one out, but I didn't even get into it. Only because the trades that I did get into, we did absolutely amazing. I didn't really want to overtrade, but actually maybe I should send this to the team. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Give me one second. So yeah, I didn't want to get into 1,000 entries today, but yeah, that TP ended up hitting there. Yeah, that's wild. Hold on, give me a second here. 1 second. All right. Okay, cool. Crazy. So yeah, this one, IWM. We had this empty space, and yes, you can see literally where, hold on, where I called this out. This was 1142. I had a lot of decent trades today. I didn't want to overtrade. This one ended up having that nice break above. You can see how I called this out. We had this empty space here. We get that nice break. We ended up going straight into that TP. So yeah, that TP ended up hitting perfectly. If we do continue, I do want to see that 244. Will I chase it? Absolutely not. I'm very happy with what we did today. I'm just going to wait for those end of day swings. I will say, yes, we do have, so for tomorrow, we do have, I think, what, Pal Speaks Tuesday. Yep, so Pal Speaks tomorrow, I think. So you can see 12:35 p.m. Eastern time. That's what I'm seeing there. So that's the only thing that I can see. Yes, could definitely do some damage, but yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. All right, so IWM. Do want to see that final there? Yo, Danny, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Man, shout out to Danny, man. Dude, Danny, I've seen you. Yeah, you've been killing it, man. Inside the Discord. So a lot of the other members have been too as well. So yeah, you can see blessings. Thanks, team. But yeah, shout out to the ladies as well. So yeah, there are the ladies. They trade pretty well in our Discord too as well. Dude, yeah, I saw that Apple play. Yeah, keep up the great work, man. So yeah, those hit those finals. Crazy trades. All right, so IBM, I'm keeping a very close eye on that. All right, sound SFCI. We did IWM. Final TP looks good. The afternoon has been good. Yeah, it's been great. I will say I can't complain. Yeah, it's been a great day. So yeah, shout out to Jesus. It's been great. I will be honest, this morning I thought we were going to chop, so I just waited for those entries. We got them, and yeah, that's it. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Alright, so we did IWM. Looks like that's still trying to go there. I need IBM to go ahead and do its thing, and that would be great for me. Alright, sound, we did that. SMCI, okay. So I think we did this on a 4-hour, 24-hour. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing here. We still have empty space that is still above us, and you know. Yo, shout out to one of the members. Hold on, give me a second. 20% on the whole account. Let's go. So yeah, shout out to Leah. Yeah, pretty fire. So yeah, we take when it gives. We'll take everything when it gives. Blessings team. One person made what 1K today off that little play. So yeah, let's see. So hold on, I'm getting distracted. Oh man, I got rid of Robin. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm glad you did, Lee. I'm glad you did. All right, so yeah, we'll go over this though. So on the video, heard me. What's up? I got you with RR too, so I'll pull those up. So yeah, SMCI, we had a little pullback here. We do have this clear gap down, no consolidation. If we can close above, do want to see if we can get something, you know, very light and see how tomorrow brings for that valid position there. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for. So that's there. AMD, RR. Hold on, let me please up. All right, so on the video, this is another trade, and we've been waiting on this one for quite a while here. I will say, and you can even see, hold on. Give me a second here. You can see how long we've been waiting on this. We've been waiting on this for quite a while. You can see we had the empty space. We end up getting that break. For me, that first and that final TP did end up hitting perfectly. Let's see. I go to a higher time frame, maybe a weekly chart. Let's take it down. So yeah, nothing to stop us really. Personally, what I would do, and yes, this is pretty much it. I get it. We have the empty space. It looks good. Or we are building more empty space here. So I would just let some structure happen. I get it. We could end up getting that continuation, which we might, but we'll have to see as well. Let's see. 1 second here. All right, cool. Looks good. So I'll go ahead and get rid of this. It's kind of irrelevant as of right now, as of this second. So yeah, I get it. We ended up catching this upside. Beautiful, great. We made, you know, some money today on this. Now all that I'm seeing here is more. So I would look for nice structure, nice top wall, nice bottom wall, and I will be looking to take that to the downside. So not right now, not telling anyone to get into any positions, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing, which is there. So that is all in the video. All right, cool. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. So yes, commercial break right now. I will be getting some more water. I am completely out. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can see what we do here. You can see what the other members are doing on these plays. We wait for the setups. We wait for the trades. We get in. We get out. If, you know, the trades hit, cool. The trades don't hit, that's fine. Shout out to all the other members. Shout out to Fast Roddy. And yeah, we wait. That's it. That's all we got to do. But yes, 1 second here. Links in the bottom for the Discord, the free chat, or the VIP. Or you don't have to join it at all. If you don't want to, I'll be back. All right, so 1 second. All right. So yeah, I'm back, guys. I'm back. What were my thoughts on AMD? I don't know. I don't have any thoughts on them right now. Let me break it down. So yeah, let's see here. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it, guys and gals. So AMD, let's go ahead and get rid of all of this and let's start pretty fresh. All right. One second here. One second. All right, so for AMD, full 100. What's up? Thanks for the follow. Actually, yeah, I don't like it. I mean, I like it. I like it a lot. So, so yeah, what I can see here, nice top all there, nice bottom all here. What looks good to me is, yes, we do have this empty space that is above us. So that's above that 168 area. Personally, I will try up to that 183. Doesn't look bad. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. Which is, yeah, this empty space. So yeah, that is on this 24 hour. Actually, that 24 hour doesn't look bad. Looks really, really good. Yeah. Oh, even on that 4 hour looks decent. So yeah, if we can get a nice 4 hour close, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Dang, I will say there's a lot of swings that look really, really good. I will say. All right, so AMD, okay, we did that. Let's take a look here. So RR, okay. Glock, I kid you not, I see like 5 or 6 possible entries for, you know, the end of day, and I'm for it. Dang, yeah, I do see a couple good ones, I will say. All right. So as of right now, yeah, I will say, yeah, RR hit my final TP, but we did end up getting that nice break. If we can continue, yeah, if you're in my VIP chat, Rug just dropped a crazy chart, man, and you know it it's looking good. All right, so anyways, yeah, we do got the empty space above us. Do want to see that 598 being hit if we can, and then that 729. I'm personally not in this one, but that's if we can continue into that empty space. So if I entered this, I personally would have wanted the entry at that 463. Hold on, give me a second. Let's break this down. Honestly, I would have tried to enter it on this 1 hour close. Right now, if I did try to enter, it would be more of a chase or more of a lotto, just because we're so far. And we're kind of close to that first TP, so it will be definitely have to be a lotto for sure. Obviously, no, I'm not telling anyone to like get into a play or anything like that, but that's just what I'm seeing. Maybe I could even, you know, use this smaller time frame as a box. For me, I'm just gonna watch. So, you know, obviously there may be some exceptions of, you know, some plays that just line up that I could end up, you know, getting in with that continuation. But yeah, for me, I just don't really like to chase into plays unless there's something backing it up. So let's just say, like for IWM, I had this charted, right? Obviously I didn't really want to take any other entries until end of day, since we did really well. By the time I saw we were close to that first TP. I get it. Could I have gotten in and made money? I could have, but yeah, I didn't want to risk it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, it was crazy. All right, so we'll keep going here. One second here. Actually, Macy's looks really good too. Okay, okay, I'll take a look here. One second. And yeah, literally all our plays are exactly the same inside of the Discord. We don't change anything. You can see with these entries, exact same. Befores, the afters. Blessings, thanks team. Each trade is literally the same. We don't change anything. Shout out Fabi, she ended up catching that too as well. See what she did there. We can see also the other trades we ended up getting into. Easy, simple targets, easy, simple trades. Plus 200 on Tesla trade. Love this team. This is all today. You can see also IBM. Maybe I should end up checking on that. So IBM looking pretty strong too. And this was the IWM play, or IBM play that we had. Clear gap down, no consolidation. Got that nice move up. Obviously, yeah, the only one that didn't want to work out is that Schwab. And honestly, we're still above the wall too. All right, so IBM, I don't know. I think we might do it. If we could do it before it closes, that would be crazy. All right, one second here. All right. Cool. All right, we'll see how this plays out. I do want to see if we'll end up tapping it though. I'll send a little reminder for the Discord. I think we might hit that though. I really have a great feeling on it. 72, 71, 73. So it looks like we're the high of the days right now. So yeah, we're pretty close. We're pretty close. Hold on, maybe I do gotta send this out. Give me 1 second here. Make sure the team knows what I'm looking at. 76, 77. All right. 271, 80, 82. Okay, that's looking really good. That's looking amazing. Sorry guys, I'm just I want to see if we'll hit that target. I think we will, but we'll keep going though. 271, 77. Yeah, we'll keep going. I'll keep an eye on it. Maybe I'll leave a little alert there if we can end up hitting that. All right, so AMD, we already did that. Looks good. IWM. Yeah, we do have that clear gap down, no consolidation. You can see I even called this out for the team members. End up getting that break. We broke above. We end up going to empty space there, which is still going crazy. Oh, IBM's going wild right now. Pretty nice. All right, cool. Yo, Anderson, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. And yeah, you can see I call out all these setups inside the Discord. You can see how I call these out. We get in, we get out, we work together as a team. We find these trades, we find these entries. Yeah, it looks like I do like how we, rejected off of this imbalance here to go to this upside. So it looks really good. All right, so that's there as well. All right, cool. All right, cool. IBM looking pretty nice. All right, cool, perfect. All right, so I'm really curious. I think we might end up getting this push that we need. So yeah, we're very close to that. First TP? I think we'll get it. But if we do end up getting that final TP, I can see it will take some days. That's if we want to get up there, of course. Obviously, we could end up rejecting right now. We could end up dropping and going back into this box here. Obviously, I don't want that to happen, but yeah, definitely could. But yeah, we are going into empty space, which is a good sign for me. All right, cool. Q, ST, hold on. Okay, hello. STAI. Oh yeah, I think we'll do it. So yeah, today already has been a crazy day. So do want to see if we can get that nice little push. Oh, 91, 271, 91. Okay. Yeah, I think we may get it. I do want to see those targets, though. We shall see. All right, STAI, and yeah, we end up calling these plays. If they hit, they hit. If they don't, that's fine. All right, so yeah, we do have this nice Potter box that needs to be broken. We get a nice break. We do have that empty space that is clearly, you know, above us. It doesn't look bad. 1 second here. So yeah, above that, STAI. Personally, no, I'm not in this, but you want to see if we can get that nice clear candle closure above that top wall so we can go into that empty space. So yeah, that looks really good. All right, so let's take a look here. All right, so hold on 1 second. Pulling up this other chat here. Okay. Perfect. Yo, Blake, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Thanks for the follow. All right, so the Qs. IBM, trying. QQQ. Let's see here. So, I'll be honest, this play already smacked. So, you know, I'm already out of this play, this trade here. What I see next, I mean, there's just nothing to stop us to the upside. That's what I can clearly see. But what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for is to see if we can get a nice little, some structure. So you can see, yeah, we ended up having that nice gap. We end up getting that nice break, going to that empty space here. Now I do want to see, yeah, if we can build some more structure to that downside. Oh, okay, QS. My bad. Every time someone says Qs, I'm thinking of QQ. All right, yeah, we'll take a look here. But yeah, that's what I thought about for the for QQQ. Hold on. All right, so 181. All right, so we'll take a look here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Those barcode lotteries went from, dude, Glock, yeah, Glock doesn't miss. All right, so let's see here. Let's go through this weekly chart. Let's break this down 1 second here. What time frame do we look for the strategy in? So I'll be honest, on every single time frame, the main time frames that I use are the 24-hour time frame, the 4-hour, or I use the weekly too, but 24-hour, 4-hour, and the 1 hour and 2 hours. Those are going to be my best friends. This is how we catch all of our entries, all of our trades. I focus on that higher time frame so we can get the higher time frame gain. You can see I'm not on a 1 minute. I'm not on a 3 minute. Obviously, I could, you know, get on a 1 minute chart. I could get on a 45 minute on days like today, which we did. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So how we are able to catch all these trades, it doesn't matter. Each trade is, you know, going to be exactly the same. Doesn't matter. You can see what we did on that Chewy thing, that Chewy trade. Obviously, higher time frame. I get it. So on a 1 hour, but the move was there. If I can see the move, we have the box in the empty space, I'll take the trade. Airbnb I missed by dude. I haven't even looked at Airbnb. I'll be completely honest. All right, so hold on 1 second here. I will say, yeah, there is empty space here up to that 1749 area. That's, you know, easily what I can see. Looks like IBM doing its thing. So yeah, I do want to see if we get that. I personally won't take this, to be honest. Or we'll have to see, but probably won't. If we can't get that break, do want to see that empty space to the upside as well. So yeah, we mainly just, you know, get options here. So yeah, just make sure if you do join the Discord, just please do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, we mainly do options. We either, you know, buy puts or buy those calls, and that's pretty much it. So each trade is literally the same. Once we get in, if I'm looking to the upside, I'll get into those calls. If I'm looking towards the downside, then I'll get into those puts. Today was more of a call day for sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, just make sure to do your own research. If you do plan on joining, if you don't plan on joining, just make sure to do your own research. All right, so let's see. Yo, Harry, what's up, man? So OKLO, hold on. Diz. So personally on Disney, yeah, I'm waiting on that. I still like it a lot though. Good to see Harry, man. So yeah, it looks good, looks decent. As you can see, we do have what? This 109.65 area that needs to be broken if we can get that nice break under. We do have this empty space that is clearly under us. So do want to see that 97.73 hit and then that 85.80. So yeah, it looks really good. That is on Disney. So yeah, we got that. And yeah, I've been waiting on this one. I'll still wait on it. If we can, you know, get that nice break and, you know, get down to this downside, I will definitely be a nice fan of this. You can see why we wait for trades. Blessing, thanks team. We had to wait a couple hours for this trade. Or actually, I was waiting a couple days for that trade. But yeah, each trade is going to be exactly the same. We don't change anything. Obviously, you know, IBM finally trying to go to that TP. But yeah, we wait for the trades. Some trades may take a little bit longer than others. But I could care less. Once we get in, I'm looking for some decent positions. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Let's see, OKLO. Okay, so OKLO, this is what I see here. Nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. We get this nice break. Got that empty space down there. So yeah, it looks good. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna wait on that. Doesn't look too bad. BMNR, got you, bro. And SFM, yo, Queese, what's up, bro? All right, so BMNR. Let's see here. Okay, actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look bad. Let's see. Okay, I do like that 24-hour a little bit better. I just wish it was a better, you know, wall. We do have a nice bottom wall there. We get that break under. Looks good. So it looks decent to the downside. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want there. So that is on BMNR. So yeah, if we do get that under that 53 area, we could potentially see that downside movement here. Could. I'm not saying it will. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh wow, so it looks like SFM. So it looks like my final target ended up hitting there. I will say. Yeah, so my final target ended up hitting there. Wow, that was a straight breakdown. That was a beautiful move. On that weekly chart, yeah, if we continue, could see that 116, 26 area. FT&T. So FT&T, I think it's still valid too. It still looks good. As you can see, we had a decent close. Obviously, we just retested. Now, yeah, we just have either the empty space or we go back into the box. So we got a nice strong move. I want to see that nice clear push above. Looks good. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. Got to go over those end of day swings. You can see what we already did here. What a few of the members already did too as well today. You can see in the games page what we did. But yeah, if you do want to join up, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll see you all in the morning for that live analysis. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. I'll either see you inside of the Discord or on my next live stream. Have a blessing, guys. In Jesus' name, amen.